my name is Mike. I'm at Highland Hill Farm. This video is about winter burn on skip laurels and what we can do about it. Chances are that skip laurels that you have planted look like this in the spring and then turn like this. This is called winter burn on skip laurels. Skip laurels can winter burn and on even old existing skip laurels have been planted for many years. This is an example of skip laurels and alder-leucan laurels that have been burned after have been planted for many years. It can happen, and it does happen. How can we avoid this? This is a good example of skip laurels planted in open areas where wind can hurt them. The more open the area, usually the harder it is on the skip laurel for planting overwintering. This is an example of skip laurels underneath evergreens. Evergreens are a great way to shelter your skip laurels from winter winds. Even though these skip laurels are right next to the road, they get hit by the wind from the cars going by and the salt, they still look fairly good. But this is because the evergreens block a lot of the wind and that the snow load is not as heavy on them. Evergreens can protect other plants such as rhododendrons, and this is a good example of that as well. But these evergreens, they provide shelter from freezing rain and make your skip laurels look much nicer. If you have a chance, skip laurels are better planted under evergreens because they do provide that protection. If you get a skip laurel that is fairly hurt by the winter winds, don't panic. Just take a look at the tree, see where the green stems are, and those green stems will be the spots where the new buds will come out. Those old leaves that burned over and look terrible will eventually fall off.